Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on
Most venomous snakes in the world. 10 of the world's most dangerous snakes. 1. Inland taipan. Inland taipan, one of the world's most venomous snakes. Generally regarded as the world's most venomous snake, the inland taipan is appropriately known as the fierce snake. Its paralyzing venom consists of taipoxin, a mix of neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins, which causes hemorrhaging in blood vessels and muscle tissues, and inhibits breathing. Its bite is lethal in more than 80% untreated cases, and can kill a human in under an hour. Without a doubt, the inland taipan is the most dangerous snake for humans, and can be considered to be one of the deadliest animals on the planet. 2. Eastern brown snake. Eastern brown snake, third most venomous snake in the world. Native to eastern and central Australia and southern New Guinea, the solitary and fast-moving eastern brown snake is found in most habitats apart from dense forests. They measure up to 2 meters long with a slender build, and no demarcation between the head and neck. Although it's called the eastern brown snake, it's found in a range of colors from pale brown to black and has a creamy yellow underside. It's considered the world's second most venomous land snake and is responsible for about 60% of snakebite deaths in Australia. In a full display, the snake's head rises high off the ground, coiling to an S shape to attack, often resulting in lethal bites to the victim's upper thigh. The venom's main effects impact the circulatory system, resulting in hemorrhaging, cardiovascular collapse, and cardiac arrest. 3. Coastal taipan. Coastal taipan, the venomous snake. The coastal taipan is found in coastal regions of northern and eastern Australia and the nearby island of New Guinea. It produces venom that is almost identical to that of the inland taipan, considered to be the most venomous snake in the world. The head of the coastal taipan is long and narrow with a slender body colored from light olive to black. Once it spots its prey, the snake freezes, then throws itself forward, making several quick bites. It then releases the prey and waits for the venom to take effect before taking its meal. Make no mistake, this is one of the world's deadliest snakes. 4. King cobra. King cobra with hood up. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, growing up to 5.5 meters in length. The species mainly live in forested areas in Asia, from India through Southeast Asia to the Philippines and Indonesia. With a 50% fatality rate for untreated human bites, the king cobra is an apex predator that deserves to be high on this list of venomous snakes. A bite from a king cobra has powerful venom enough in a single bite to kill an elephant in just a few hours. 5. Black mamba. The black mamba is one of the 2 snakes on this list to live in Africa, using its speed to catch prey and inject an extremely toxic venom. Often regarded as the fastest snake in the world, it's actually beaten into second position by the sidewinder. Growing up to 4 meters long, the black mamba is a slender, agile snake, which helps it reach speeds of up to 19 kilometers per hour in short bursts on open ground. As with the sidewinder, the black mamba uses lateral undulation, moving in an S shape and pushing off objects in its path to help gain momentum. The combination of speed, venom, and aggressive attitude is what makes the black mamba such a feared snake across Africa and, indeed, puts it on the list of most dangerous animals in Africa. 6. Barba amarilla. Barba amarilla, venomous snake. Spanish for yellow beard. These Central and South American snakes are distinguished by their flattened heads, which are set apart from the rest of their bodies. Growing up to 1.8 meters long, females are the thicker and longer of the species, with larger heads and bigger fangs. Barba amarillas are irritable and fast-moving, and have a reputation for being unpredictable. Their venom is necrotizing, extremely painful, and often deadly. Combine this with an ability to project almost 2 meters and to bite with its head high above the ground, and it's easy to see why the Barba amarilla is one of the deadliest venomous snakes. 7. Banded Kite. Banded kite one of the most venomous snakes. The banded kite is a highly venomous relative of the cobra found across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Reaching lengths of over 2 meters, this kite is easily identified by its bright yellow and black crossbands and the marked vertebral ridge. It's a shy, nocturnal snake that doesn't go out of its way to bite people, though when bites do happen, their venom can cause respiratory failure and potentially suffocation. The mortality rate for untreated bites is thought to be around 10%. 8. Boomslang. Boomslang with open mouth. The boomslang is a venomous snake native to sub-Saharan Africa, measuring up to 1.6 meters and has a unique look, with oversized eyes and an egg-shaped head. Its name means tree snake in Afrikaans, and it hunts by mimicking a branch, extending the forward part of its body motionless from a tree. It has a highly potent venom which disables blood coagulation and leads to internal and external bleeding, killing the victim. The venom is delivered through large fangs located in the back of the jaw, which can open to 170 degrees when biting. The boomslang is a timid snake, inflating its neck and assuming an S-shaped striking pose, but generally only biting humans when people attempt to handle, catch, or kill it. 9. Saw-scaled viper. Saw-scaled viper, world's most venomous snake? The saw-scaled viper is found in parts of India and the Middle East and is the snake responsible for the most human deaths each year. In fact, many scientists believe it to be responsible for more human deaths than all other snake species combined, making this snake one of the most dangerous animals in the world for humans. Whilst the venom of the saw-scaled viper is lethal in less than 10% of untreated victims, the species is often found in well-populated areas. And its aggressiveness means it bites early and often. 10. Tiger snake. Tiger snake. The highly venomous tiger snakes are endemic to southern Australia and its coastal islands, including Tasmania. Tiger snakes are highly variable in size and coloring, though usually banded, hence the name. The thing they all have in common is the potent mixture of neurotoxins, coagulants, hemolysins, and myotoxins they inject into their victims. Fatal to humans if left untreated, tiger snake bites account for an estimated 17% of Australian snakebite victims.